Let's make a rock, paper, scissors web game in under 1 minute using ChatGPT to write our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. First, let's go to ChatGPT and write our prompt. All prompts and websites used will be in the video's description. Before copying, ensure that your code has been completed. When it's completed, you'll see a comment. If you don't, just tell ChatGPT to write it in one code snippet or continue. To test our code, we'll use Codepen.io. If you have an account, just log in, otherwise sign up. Now, let's copy your code. First, we'll paste our HTML, then our CSS, then our JavaScript. The HTML will display the information on our page, the CSS will make it look wonderful, and the JavaScript will give it functionality. And there you have it, rock, paper, scissors in under 1 minute. Subscribe for more.